I think my language ability and personality are good for me to be a technical support because my major in college is German, which can bring me some advantage in terms of language. Also, I'm willing to help others in my daily life and often serve as a volunteer in nursing homes when I was a student. And I enjoy a lot in communicating with people. And what's more important is that helping others can bring me a strong sense of accomplishment. When I was looking for the job to start my career, I thought being technical support is a good choice. RoboUP is a new brand just like me. From the interview, the team gave me the impression of being active, positive, reliable, and responsible. RoboUP is working on designing and producing a new boundary-free mower for customers, which combine various advanced technology that can bring a huge change in the daily life. And I thought all of this was what I want, so I'm here now. If I were asked to rate myself 1 to 10, I would say 6 or 7, which is a very passing score, because I think I have only been working for 6 months and there is still a lot to learn for me. In the new year of 2024, I will treat myself with higher requirement and higher efficiency. At the same time, I also hope that RoboUP can get better and better.